what you need to protect yourself is usually against the high risk viruses. Now, high risk viruses usually come once in a while, it's not on a regular basis. Most of the viruses that are released are low risk or medium risk, and usually we are aware of the viruses that are likely to come out in the coming week in the time frame. So what we do is normally we send out intimation to all our customers, to all our partners, that these are the viruses that are expected in the following week. Please update your DAT files. You have to nowadays at least update your DAT files at least once a week on a minimum basis. And if there is any outbreak where there is a medium risk or a high risk virus, then you may have to do it almost on a daily basis till the threat is covered. We have got what is called the heuristic technology, where the software identifies certain virus-like behavior, and if it feels okay, here is possible virus-like behavior that is occurring in my network, it will quarantine that particular file, that application, and it will send automatically the data to our AVERT labs for testing. Today you can buy antivirus solution in the form of software, or you can buy it as a software and hardware combination. Okay. Now a E500 is typically an appliance where you get a hardware and software combination together. Now the advantage of having an appliance is basically it's easy to operate, it's highly tuned and customized for antivirus protection, and we give guaranteed performance. So what you can do is these products can be configured centrally, they can be managed centrally. So you don't have to every time send a person there to remotely manage a remote location. You can manage from a central location. Similarly, on the firewall side also we have these appliances called the PGP-1000. The PGP-1000 is based on the UltraSpark 10,000. It's a very high-end appliance which can give you throughputs of 1 gigabit per second. Okay? And it's usually used for large carrier class networks where you want high speed of throughput and you want enterprise protection. It's got a high level of redundancy built into it. You have redundant power supplies, you have hot pluggable disks, etc. Typically what happens is today you may have a network of say 100 users, and tomorrow your network may go to 1,000 users, 2,000 users. The e-policy orchestrator, the EPO 2.0 what we have, can scale up to 250,000 nodes. That means from a single console I can manage 250,000 desktops. Okay. Now you can have now this is a very huge number which I don't think anybody else can really support today. But we have live cases, we have customers, and we ourselves manage our entire network using the EPO 2.0. Everybody wants management. Everybody knows, yes, we have the best sort of protection. All the softwares take care of your security and they protect your data. But how effectively can you manage your network in terms of an outbreak? How quickly can you respond? How quickly can you fix it? And that is what EPO 2.0 does actually. So this current version can be customized and be fine-tuned for smaller networks as well. PGP-1000, yes, I agree, is a high-end product. It's mainly used for carrier class networks. But similarly, the E500. The E500 can be used even for lower-end systems because it's an extremely cost-effective product.